Let's write the molecular, the structural, and the skeletal or bond line formula here for C₃H₆. This is propene. So we have C₃H₆. The pro, that tells us we have the 3 carbons. The ENE, that tells us there's going to be a double bond. So we could just write our 3 carbons, and let's put a double bond on one of them, like this. So you can see we have 1, 2, 3, and then we have a double bond. And it really doesn't matter if we put it here or over here. It's going to be the same structure. So we have our hydrogens, and each carbon has 4 bonds. This carbon right here has 1, 2, 3, 4, and the other carbons, they have 4 bonds as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, and here 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the structure for propene, C₃H₆. If we want to draw the skeletal or the bond line structure, let's put a molecular model on top of this, do an overlay. That'll help us think about it. And you can see we have carbon, carbon, carbon. There's the double bond. This model, it shows us a little bit more about the 3-dimensional structure of this propene, C₃H₆. If we wanted to draw the skeletal or bond line, we draw a line from carbons to carbon, and here we have a double bond, so we'll draw 2 lines, and that's it. That's the actual skeletal or bond line formula. And that looks like this. We have our carbon here, and then a carbon on the end here. These are double bonded. And then we know each carbon has 4 bonds. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see the hydrogens there in this molecular model. Let's move it over here. And there it is. And note that these hydrogens here on the double bond, this one too, these are all right here in the same plane. That's what a double bond does. For the skeletal, we actually don't write carbons in because we can figure it out based on the fact that carbon will have 4 bonds. So let's get rid of the carbons here. And that's the skeletal or bond line formula there for C₃H₆ propene. That's how you do it. This is Dr. V. Thanks for watching.